Hello everyone, it's me Samuel Taylor Ackroyd and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the JC Wings 1400 scale Virgin Atlantic Boeing 747-400 model in the Star Wars livery with the Millennium Falcon on it, and the livery that is promoting Disney World in Florida. So starting off with the usual look at the features on the box. We don't really have much on this box. All we really have is the stuff on the front. So here we have a diagram of the model, as well as a diagram of the woman who you see on all Virgin Atlantic aircraft, pretty much holding the Union flag. Up here we have the scale 1/400, and at the bottom left corner it says Disney World Florida and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. So it's basically a promotion of Disney World Florida as well as Star Wars. Here we have the Virgin logo, and to the right of that we have the aircraft type Boeing 747-400, and here we have the registration of the aircraft Golf-Victor Lima India Papa. And on the bottom of the box all we really have is the barcode and an age warning for children under a certain age, and it also says made in China, which a lot of these models tend to be. And that's pretty much it for the box. The rest of it is just plain orange. So now that I have shown you the box, I'm now going to unbox the model, which is fairly easy. And inside the box as well, we have pretty much all the same stuff that the front of the box did. And here is the model, which I really like. One, because it's a Boeing 747-400, and it's also in the special Star Wars livery with the Millennium Falcon and promoting Disney World Florida. Now, I don't really want to get too personal, but I am a fan of Star Wars, so I'm really glad that I got this model. So now on to the features of this aircraft, starting off with the nose section of the aircraft. Here we have the cockpit windows with an escape hatch on the captain's side, and underneath that we have the usual diagram of a woman holding the Union flag, which you get on pretty much all Virgin Atlantic aircraft. Underneath that diagram we have the nickname, the Falcon, and underneath that nickname we have the first class cabin with some sensors here, which I believe are the sensors that measure the temperature outside of the aircraft. Correct me if I'm wrong. And at the bottom here we have the usual landing gear with the landing gear doors, and like a lot of aircraft, the last two letters of the registration are on the landing gear doors. And here we have the L1 door, and underneath that we have the aircraft type Boeing 747-400 with a picture of Han Solo's Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. And up here we have the business class cabin with the door in the middle of the cabin on the upper deck. And here we have another door which is just in front of the wing, both on the left side and the right side. And here we have the wing itself, which contains all the usual flaps, slats, speed brakes, ailerons, and the red navigation light on the left wing of the aircraft. And as this is the 747-400, it has the winglets for fuel efficiency. And here we have the two engines 1 and 2. And we also have the landing lights at the start of both wings. And here you can get a better view of the really cool looking Millennium Falcon, which takes up a good majority of the plane. And behind the diagram of the Millennium Falcon we have the Walt Disney World Florida logo and the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge logo. So this means that Walt Disney World in Florida probably sponsor Virgin Atlantic and pay Virgin Atlantic to advertise this livery to get people to visit Walt Disney World in Florida. In fact, this aircraft type with this airline did fly to Orlando, where Walt Disney World Florida is on a regular basis, from London Gatwick, Manchester and Glasgow. And the back of the aircraft will contain economy class, and further forward will be premium economy. And underneath the back of economy class on this aircraft, you can see the registration Golf-Victor Lima India Papa, with the door on the back of the aircraft on the left hand side, as well as the tail itself with the rudder, with it containing the big Virgin logo. And we also have the tail wings, which contain the aircraft's elevators. On the right side of the aircraft, there is not really that many differences, other than you can see the other side of the Millennium Falcon on the right side, and the right side of the aircraft usually contains the cargo doors. So there you can see there's one at the front there, and there is another one at the back of the aircraft. One bigger one and one that's a bit smaller, although I can't zoom in on it, but they are at the bottom just there. You probably can't see them, it is quite hard to see them. And something else that's different on the right hand side is the numbers in engines. So here we have engines 3 and 4, and we also have a green navigation light on the right wing instead of a red on the left. On the top of the aircraft we have 2 antennas, one here and one there, and between them we have the Wi-Fi box. On the bottom of the aircraft we have the usual nose landing gear, as well as the main sets of landing gear, 2 on the belly of the aircraft, 1 on the left wing and 1 on the right wing. And on the left wing, like a lot of aircraft, we have the registration Golf-Victor Lima India Papa, and the bottom of the aircraft also contains the Virgin Atlantic logo in the newer billboard lettering. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about this model. Like I said already, I am a big fan of Star Wars, so I'm really glad that I got this model. Although that's just a personal opinion, but I think a lot of people will get this model if they are a fan of Star Wars and are an aviation enthusiast like me, as well as a fan of the Boeing 747. And that's pretty much all I have to say, other than thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.